Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a jester hat plus like the neck, I don't know what it's called, like the collar as well, and maybe the nose. So let me just remove everything that I use for that. You do need a currency item, and I think, do we need VIP for this? No, I don't think we do, which is good. So let me just remove everything again I used for the Jester combo. So we are going to grab this headscarf, and you can use any color that you'd like. I'm just going to choose this color in glitter. For the adjustments, you're going to position the Z at 0.57, and then you are going to rotate it at 0.19 for the x-axis, for the x rotation, and you're going to make it smaller as 0.46. Then I'm going to grab these rabbit ears in glitter, and then I'm just going to position the x at 0.54, y at 0.44, z 0.45, and then x at 0.22 for the rotation, y at 1, and z at 0.9 t. Then you're just going to scale it a little bit to 0.27, like so. Then I'm just going to grab these earrings. I'm just going to leave them white. That's for like the little pom-poms. I'm going to adjust it at 0.46, 0.95 for the y-axis, and then for the z it's 0.58. Rotate the x at 0.63, 36, and then z at 0.70. We're then going to scale it all the way to 1, like so. Then we're going to grab this for the nose. I'm just going to color mine all black for this one. Position the x at 0.66, the y at 0.69, the z at 0.52, rotate the x to 0.32, the y at 1, and then z at 0.89. You're going to scale it all the way to 1. Then for this part, you're just going to go to the codes. I'm not going to VIP for this. It's just a code item. A currency item. And it's this one. I'm just going to color it the same as the rest. Glitter in black. Then for this one, you're going to position it at 0.75. And then y at 0.74. And then the z at 0.59. Rotate it at 1, and then 1 again, and then 0.80. And then scale is the same. Then for the collar part, you're going to use this hat right here in this pattern, or you can use any pattern that you would like, of course. And then for the adjustments here, you're going to put it at 0.5, 0.16, and then 0.5. Rotate it at 1 for the y rotation and scale it all the way to 0.05. Let me just remove the doll for now so you can see the color, the one that I mean. And that is how you can create a jester on Dress to Impress, like the Jester Hat, basically. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!